What if we replace the moon with Titan? Imagine waking up one morning and seeing a colossal orange sphere dominating half the sky. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has replaced our moon. It's almost 50% larger, covered in thick haze, and weighs far more than our familiar lunar companion. The moment Titan appears in the moon's orbit, the Earth immediately feels the consequences. First, gravity. Titan's greater mass creates far stronger tidal forces. Instead of gentle tides, we get megatides. Walls of water racing inland twice a day, swallowing coastlines. Entire cities like New York, Tokyo, and London would face unstoppable flooding. Ports, beaches, and coastal infrastructure would be destroyed within weeks. Earth's rotation would also slow slightly, lengthening the day by several minutes at first, and much more over time. Next comes the sky. Unlike the moon's gray surface, Titan's atmosphere is filled with thick orange smog. Sunlight scattering through it gives the night sky a permanent amber glow. Titan wouldn't reflect much light, so nights become darker, colder, and more difficult for plants, animals, and humans. No more bright full moons, just a dim orange giant. But the real danger starts deeper. Stronger tidal forces wouldn't only affect oceans, they'd affect Earth itself. The crust would bend and flex under Titan's gravity, triggering massive tectonic stress. Earth would enter a period of hyperseismic activity, worldwide earthquakes, super tsunamis, and more frequent volcanic eruptions. The Pacific Ring of Fire would go wild. Titan itself would also suffer. Its thick nitrogen atmosphere would slowly erode under Earth's gravity and solar radiation, creating a trail of gas around the planet. Titan's methane lakes would evaporate and disperse as hydrocarbons into space. Over thousands of years, Titan would shrink and freeze even more. Meanwhile, Earth's axial stability collapses. Our moon stabilizes our tilt. Without it, Earth could wobble unpredictably. Titan's mass isn't in the perfect distance to provide the same balance. Seasons become chaotic. One decade of violent winters could be followed by scorching summers. Weather patterns break down. Humanity must adapt to a planet with unstable climate cycles. Astronomically, night sky observers gain an incredible sight: swirling orange clouds, methane seas, and massive dunes visible through telescopes. But the beauty comes with danger. Titan reflects less light than the moon, making navigation, farming, and wildlife cycles harder. Over centuries, new ecosystems attempt to adapt to the stronger tides and harsher seasons. Humanity builds massive seawalls, relocates inland, and creates global early warning systems for earthquakes and megastorms. Earth would not become uninhabitable, but life would be transformed forever. Replacing the moon with Titan would give us a beautiful but catastrophic new neighbor, one that reshapes oceans, climate, and even Earth's crust. Titan would turn our calm, stable world into a constantly shifting planet full of chaos, danger, and breathtaking celestial views.